What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Claude with the Shopify. Open up the Claude application like this and go to the connectors option and then go to the add connectors and browse connector option. So I already have a Shopify account, so it will be pretty easy for me to open up and connect it with the Claude, because otherwise you will have to first make the Shopify account, go to it, and then link it to the Claude. I'm just going to go ahead and click on connect option now. Once I have searched Shopify connector in the connector option. So once I'm over here, it will redirect me back to the Shopify page. Here you will see that my store is over here. All I have to do is to click on that because I already logged in on the Shopify on this web browser, so it won't take much longer than that. So now you see that the Shopify is connected with the Claude. If I go ahead and pull up any sort of details from the Shopify, I'm just going to go ahead and ask, hey, let me know how many products do I have listed on the Shopify. So what it will do, it will go ahead and check the Shopify product count on the Shopify using the connector. So it will first ask me the permission. If you don't want it to ask the permission, just you guys can simply go to the, either you guys can allow once or always allow, it's up to you. So once you have given the permission, it will go ahead and search the products over here like these ones. So I have naked headphones, Wexley Apex Smartwatch, Wexley Pulse Pro AirPods, Wexley Boom One speaker, all that in my Shopify store. So this is how you guys can integrate and work with the Shopify store with Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.